you.
Welcome to Learn English with Teacher Mia. This lesson is the most fun and easy way to learn English. You can take this free lesson from your home.
Of course, we are here too. We will support your studies.
Let's get started. Hi, how are you? I'm Mia. Nice to meet you. Now you're going to learn new, more common ways to ask and answer the question, how are you, in English? I'm fine. You've probably learned how are you and I'm fine in textbooks before. But English native speakers will usually ask this question and answer it in a different way. Let's review. If someone says, how are you? You can say, I'm fine. I'm fine.
How are you? I'm fine.
Here are some other ways to answer. Pretty good. Pretty good. This means about the same thing as I'm fine. Pretty good. We also have not bad. Not bad. You can use this if you are feeling just okay. Not bad.
How are you? Pretty good. How are you? Not bad. You're doing really well. Keep up the good work. Yay!
Let's look at our question again. How are you? How are you? How are you? This is the most well-known way of asking how someone is. You could use it when you want to be polite. But now, let's look at some different ways to ask how someone is. These ways are more casual and much more common. First, hey, how's it going? How's it going? You can answer this in many ways. If you're feeling good, you can say, good, good, pretty good, pretty good, not bad, not bad. Once more, good, pretty good, not bad.
How's it going? Not bad. How's it going? Good.
Here's a tip. Even though these answers mean the same thing as I'm fine, you can't answer how's it going with I'm fine. It will sound a bit strange. Not so good. If you're not feeling good, you can say, not so good. Not so good. Not great. Not great. Or not so well. Not so well.
How's it going? Not so good. How's it going? Not great.
Be careful. If you say one of these, the other person will usually ask, "Why? What's wrong?" to be polite. Then you will have to explain.
How's it going? Not so well. Oh, why? What's wrong? My stomach hurts.
What's up? Another casual but very common version of how are you is what's up? What's up? When you reply, use a cheerful voice as you say, "Not much," "Not much," or "Nothing much," "Nothing much." This means you're free and able to chat. What's up and hello are similar greetings, so you can also reply with "Hey" or "Hi."
What's up? Hi.
A lot of the time, when we ask questions that mean "How are you?" in English, we're not actually asking about the other person's health. We're only asking to be polite.
Are you tired? It's okay to take a break. Good.
Hey everyone, I'm Teacher Mia. Welcome back to Teacher Mia's free English class. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to ask what someone's job in natural English. What is your job? Oh no! What would you say when you want to ask about someone's job? Of course, you can just say, "What is your job?" This is correct English, but it sounds too direct and awkward.
What is your job? Oh, I don't like the way you said that.
Native English speakers almost never say this in a social situation. Instead, they use a different question. But before we learn that, we need to compare it to very similar question.
What are you doing? I'm eating. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. Do you see the difference? These two questions, "What are you doing?" and "What do you do?" sound similar, but mean different things. What are you doing? The first one is asking what you are doing right now. You answer it using an ing verb. What are you doing? I'm running. What are you doing? I'm thinking.
What are you doing? I'm dancing. What are you doing? I am watching birds.
What do you do? What do you do is actually a shortened version of what do you do for a living? This is how we ask what is your job in natural English. Let's try the question.
Question number 1.
Answer the question. What are you doing? Good job. What are you doing? I'm having lunch. Very good.
Question number 2.
Answer the question. What do you do? Good job. What do you do? I am a teacher. Very good. You can also mention the place you work at. Starting with I work at. I work at the library. I work at the airport. I work at a factory. If you work for a big company that is well known, you can say I work for and then the name. I work for Microsoft. I work for Google. What's your response? When you ask the question, what do you do? And the other person tells you their job. It's polite to make some kind of positive comment about their job. For example, how interesting, or that must be exciting, or even, oh, really?
What do you do? I am a magician. Abracadabra. How interesting. Yeah.
Asking about hobby. Hey everyone, I'm teacher Mia. In the next lesson, we're going to learn how to ask what someone's hobbies are without using the word hobbies. Do you have any hobbies? You've probably seen the question, do you have any hobbies? Or what are your hobbies in an English textbook before? But native English speakers almost never use the word hobbies when asking about them. A much more natural way to ask the same question is, what do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? You can also ask, what do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? So how would you answer this question? Let's look at how native speakers would do it. The easiest way is to say, I like to, or just, I like. For example, if you like watching movies, you could say, I like to watch movies, or I like watching movies.
What do you do for fun? I like to dance. What do you do in your free time? I like watching birds.
What do you do for fun?
I like to play soccer. What do you do in your free time?
I like floating in the pool.
Oh, I see.
Yeah! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
See you!